In this video, we'll be going over Form SSA 89. So we covered this in a video a couple years ago, but the Social Security Administration has updated this form. The most recent version is from May 2025. Not a lot of information has changed. We'll go over how to complete this Form SSA 89 just for your benefit. But first, let's go over maybe some of the reasons why you would allow this information to be released. So sometimes people need to apply for jobs or, uh, apply for a loan of some sort, most commonly a mortgage. You may need to open a bank account or some other reason where the requesting party is trying to verify your social security number to verify your identity. So this is the form that you would complete that allows the Social Security Administration to release certain information. They're not going to disclose any unnecessary information, but if you submit an application and you write down your social security number, this is the form that the company can submit to the Social Security Administration, and the Social Security Administration would be allowed to say yes or no that the person who stated that social security number is the person on that application. So let's go from the top down. Let's just say that John Doe is requesting this. And he is requesting this because he wants to apply for a mortgage. So and then if applicable, the agent's name and address. So let's just say so we've completed the top part of the form. We're going to just briefly go over what this authorization means. So I'm authorizing the Social Security Administration to verify my social security number. So they're going to match my name, SSN, and date of birth with the information that's in their records, and then say this matches or it doesn't. That's what the Social Security Administration is allowed to do based on this form, and that's usually the function that these people are looking for. So whether it's your, open up a bank account or a credit card, getting some sort of a loan, this is simply to verify your identity. This doesn't allow the Social Security Administration to give more information, and it doesn't allow your lender or your wherever you're applying to request more information. So when you sign this form, it's by default valid for 90 days from the date of signature. So that's usually enough time for the underwriting process or the job application process to go through. So you should be very careful about any initialing here for a longer period of time. They should be able to give you a very good reason why this background check couldn't be completed in 90 days. 90 days is pretty straightforward, and to be honest, this could be effective for a lot less period of a time. But if you do make that change, let's just say that John Doe wants to change it to 120 days, and then he would sign his initials here. Now, if you don't do that, you leave this blank. It's good for 90 days, and then you're going to sign it and date it. So the 90 days or whatever time frame is from the date of this signature. And then if you're releasing this on someone's behalf, you would have to disclose your relationship. At the bottom of this form, there's really not a lot of information. There's Privacy Act information. The Paperwork Reduction Act says it should take about 20 minutes to read the instructions, gather facts, and answer the questions. That seems to be a little, I guess, a lot of time. So we just covered the entire form. This is one page of a form. It's pretty straightforward. Most of the time, it's going to be in a giant stack of other paperwork that you're busy signing, and most of this stuff will be pre-filled by the company that you're working with. So we've updated this video just to let you know that this is the current version of that form. That's what you should be looking at if someone gives it to you for signature. And if you want step-by-step guidance, you can always check out our article. We'll put a link in the show notes so that if you need to slow down and take a look at something in particular, you can check it out in our article. Simply go to teachmepersonalfinance.com, type in form SSA 89, and you'll see the article appear. So if you like our articles, please subscribe to our newsletter. If you like our YouTube videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, or if there's another topic that you'd like to see in an upcoming video, please hit me up in the comments section. Thank you very much and have a great day.